Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Raptive for selling stock photography step by step clearly. To activate Raptive for selling stock photography, start by visiting the Raptive website. Look for the registration or sign up option available on the homepage. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. Make sure to provide a valid email address to receive a confirmation link. Check your email for the confirmation message from Raptive. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Raptive account using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard, where you will find various options. Locate the section for setting up your stock photography profile. Upload your portfolio of stock photographs in high resolution. Add relevant tags and descriptions for each image to improve searchability. Set your pricing structure, either as exclusive or non-exclusive licenses. Review Raptive's guidelines on copyright and model releases before publishing. Once everything is set, submit your portfolio for review by the Raptive team. Wait for feedback regarding your submission, which usually takes a few days. If approved, your stock photos will be live on the platform. Regularly check your account for statistics on sales and engagement. Engage with the Raptive community for tips and support in selling your photography. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.